Hi guys, it's Asami. Today I'm going to introduce one of our best sellers, Janice Clamp. And actually I'm going to make this product by myself, and I'm a totally beginner of scale modeling. So that means if I can do it, you can totally do it. Okay? So let's try. Janice Clamp is clamp etching set for World War II German series, and we have the early and the light versions. Look at this, it's actually workable. Justそして消えた取った取ったよこう丸くして、こう、こう、はい、できました。よね、大丈夫？よかった。じゃあカウントしよう。ちょっと待って、はい。So here are the clamps I made. I know mine doesn't really look nice, but point is, even I can make this product. If experienced modeler like you makes Janice clamp, that will be very beautiful. I strongly recommend to use sharp knife and hard cutting board not to bend the flasher etching when you cut. After I found the best way to thread the strips, it became much easier. I think everyone has each best way to make Janice clamp, so just keep trying and never give up. I carry Janice clamp at SMC, so please come visit me and have a closer look. I hope you enjoy my second video. See you soon. Bye!